If you're looking to change your row heights in Microsoft Excel, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, so follow me. The first way of adjusting your row height is clicking on a cell. Also, you're going to go up to your ribbon, you're going to click on Home, making sure your Home tab is open, and we're going to go over to the Cells section and we're going to click on Format. Here we can click on Row Height, and you will find the row height dialog will come up, and you can now adjust your row height. Now if you go into that Format tab again, you will see that there is an auto fit row height. Now if you've got a piece of data in there that is bigger than the actual row, it'll adjust to that size. So you can just click on auto fit and your row height will be adjusted. One of the other ways of doing this is finding the row number on the left hand side of your page, right clicking and coming down and finding row height. That'll bring up this exact dialog again. You can now adjust your row height. And if you want to find out the current row height, all you need to do is make sure you are clicking on not the number but the space between your rows. So that's what your cursor will look like, and just click down and hold it. You will now see that your height is 18 or 30 pixels, and you can now adjust your other row heights accordingly. If this was a helpful guide, you can go ahead and drop us a like, show us your support. We'll see you next time. Peace out.